Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about what Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be doing tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. So let me just quickly start with a quick recap. I did mention that Bank Nifty will stay at this particular range, and if it takes out this range is when it will move it, but somehow Bank Nifty did survive this. But however, let me just tell you that it has been consolidating for a very long time, so there is a high probability tomorrow we can expect a very trending day. So let us quickly try to understand and see what is the kind of a situation that we are in over here and what to expect tomorrow. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty opens flat and crosses 36,500, then we are going to have a decent target over here. 36,000, my apologies. So if it crosses 36,000 when it moves sideways and it opens sideways, then we are going to have this as a target at 36,226. And if we somehow consolidate there, and please remember that this is the range that it needs to consolidate at. So it needs to spend a decent amount of 1 or 2 hours in consolidation. And then if it breaks on the upside, then the next resistance that it is going to have is at 36,500. So tomorrow, if you can go ahead and expect this kind of a movement. So if it opens sideways and it will go up, and if it is opening and then consolidating over here, then it will reach the other level over here for you. So these are the levels that you need to look out for. Now, if it opens gap up, let's say 100, 200 points or somewhere around here, and then makes a range, so just shift your range at that particular point of time and wait for Bank Nifty to break 36,226. Now, if let's say for an example, over there, it makes one bearish 15-minute candle, then you can look for a target until 35,950. And if it sustains more on that particular range, then you can go ahead and look for a target of somewhere around 35,700. So both these targets will be achieved after these ranges broken. Now, if it is gapping down, then your range will shift here. And then if it takes out this level of 35,700, then you can easily expect another 1% move on the downside. So that would be somewhere around 300 points. So, you can go ahead and book a conservative profit of somewhere around, 200 points right now at this level, because this is the place from where it turned. So that would be 35,500. Now, in terms of Nifty, so Nifty, like I told you, it has been very volatile for a very long time. So from 36,200, so there are people who are buying it, then selling it on 30, on the all-time high. So that has been happening for a very long time. So what I want you to do is concentrate on what they're doing and do the same. So if you get the opportunity to go ahead and trade under this range, and the first preference that you need to have is buy on 16,200 and then sell on 16,300 until and unless there is a complete decisive breakout. But I will be honest with you, I'm not interested in trading Nifty because it has become completely volatile. So there are a few stocks that I've picked out for you today. The first stock that I want to talk about is IGL. Now remember, IGL has been consolidating for quite a while. Okay, I think I opened a wrong one. Let me just get that for you. So the thing we have is IGL. The next one we have is Balkrishna. And then we have PL. So these are the three stocks that I've picked out for you. So the first stock in terms of IGL would be this. So before I get there, I just wanted to let you know that if you want to join our live trading forum, then you can visit www.rltrgroup.com. But if you need charts and live analysis, which is absolutely free of cost, then you can visit the Telegram channel that is being listed below, and you can just join there and be a part of the analysis that I do on everyday basis. I share the screenshot with the perfect levels so that you can make your decision accordingly. And over there also, I share my daily screenshots of whatever live trading performance that have been done for the day. So please join our free Telegram channel that is being listed below. And if you want to live trade with us, then you have the website to join us there. So in terms of IGL, now tomorrow there is an earning result. Okay, so there was this particular trend line which actually came from the top, and I want you to know that this trend line has been broken today. Okay, and it has been broken decisively, and it has already gone ahead and taken out the previous swing as well, and it has sustained its level. So if by any chance tomorrow it opens sideways or anything of that sort, then you can go ahead and look at 548 as a target, and this level will be easily achievable. So this 2% would be there. But however, remember one thing, that this is a correction phase. Okay, so this can be an impulse, and if it is not opening above and then trying to shoot itself down, then what you can do is then you can look for the low that was made on the 11th as the target, and if you get a 15-minute bearish candle, then you can short for, and that target would be over here to whatever the price it is, and it can be a positional. But if you want to close it on an intraday, then only an upside trade should be taken. The next one is Balkrishna Industry. Now I was very shocked to find that this particular script for the last 1 hour was consolidating at this range. Now I think there is something happening here. So if tomorrow by any chance 2300 has been broken, then I can go ahead and look for a decent target of somewhere around 2340, and then on an intraday itself I can look at 2363. So these are this 3% move, less than 3% move can actually be achieved tomorrow if it decisively breaks 2300. A small stop loss can be kept on this particular swing if you want to be safe. So there will be a 20-point stop loss with a 40-point target with 1:2 RNR. So let's go ahead and look at PL. Now PL, I had drawn this particular trend line as well over here. I was extending this for quite a while, but I have found out that it has done a particular fake out and it has come to the zone once again. So now what I will do is, in my trend line, I will not consider this fake out, but I will still consider it as a downtrend. Now, if this downtrend has been broken, now there is another structure that comes over here with this particular triangle. Let me just get that thing done. Okay. So yeah, here it is. So the breakout on this particular range of, let's say tomorrow, Pyramid Enterprises opens between 2,700 and over here at 2,730. Then with this particular range, you can wait for the target. And if it, I am mostly looking at a downside target. So if it is breaking that particular pole, then I'll go ahead and look for the target somewhere around 200. 2640. So that would be the level that I'll be looking out for. So these are the levels for the day, and I hope you like the picks that I've made and the analysis for Bank Nifty and tomorrow. So to know more about the live trading and free analysis, please join our free Telegram group that has been listed below. With this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind, take care, goodbye, see you tomorrow.